What if I told you that caring what other people think of you has nothing to do with your insecurities, but has everything to do with your self-identity? If you're new here, welcome to the channel. I am Krishna, and this is a space where we decode our minds, not just live in it. Where your thoughts shape your reality and we learn to shift them. If you've ever wondered why you are the way you are at the right place. Let's get started. There was a time when I used to feel trapped of what other people would think of me until I made these 5 mindset shifts, after which I was finally be able to detach myself from their opinions and start living the life that I wanted. Let's begin delving into these 5 mindset shifts. Out of these 5, 4th and 5th are my absolute favorites, so you would want to stick around until we reach there. Shift number 1. Ignore applause. As unconventional as it sounds, when people praise you, that does not mean you are on the right path. Applause does not mean direction. It's just a reflection of someone else's preferences. People applaud you when you behave in a certain way they like, and not necessarily that could be the way that aligns with you. Now this is where it gets tricky. In this area where life and social media blends together so strongly, when you post something, people like it, people comment about it, and you start doing it more. Now the real question comes, what people are praising you for, is that aligning with you and your values? If yes, that's beautiful. If no, then that's just a noise. If you keep doing what people like or they prefer, you slowly start losing yourself in the process, and that eventually builds resentment. Shift number 2. Reframe criticism. It's not about you. It's about someone else's discomfort. People judge what challenges their worldview, and when they feel uncomfortable, they are not really sure how to process it. So they label it, they project it, and they criticize it. Sometimes they also diminish, but really it's just unprocessed emotion. As they say, perception is projection. Whatever perceptions are being made are definitely coming out of projecting their lives themselves and their identities. Shift 3 to understand is that you will always be judged. No matter what you do, if you seek approval, you will be judged. If you face criticism, you will be judged. There is no version of you that will be truly accepted all the time. And there is no version of life where everyone understands you or everyone accepts you. And that's okay. You stop trying to control perception and you start living in alignment. Because the truth is, applause does not mean you are right and criticism does not mean you are wrong. The only thing that matters is, does this feel true to me? Shift 4, which is my absolute favorite. You choose your values. So clarity does not come from outside. It comes from deciding what stands true to you. Values are not something you inherit. They are something you choose. And once you choose them, they become your anchor. Because then you don't need to react differently to everything. You just need to filter. If something aligns, you take it in. If something doesn't, you let it pass. And that itself makes your life simpler. Not easier, just simpler. And last but not the least, the 5th shift, which is again my absolute favorite, is use these values as a filter. With every bit of criticism and every piece of advice, instead of asking, do they like me? We start asking, does this align with my values? That one question will set you free. Because now you stop living with and for reactions and you start living with intention. Because at the end of the day, if you don't anchor yourself to something solid, you will slowly lose yourself as a part of reflection of what other people think of you. And that is the fastest way of losing yourself. The goal is not to stop being judged, but to become so clear of who you are that nothing on the outside can shake you. If any of this resonated with you, please consider subscribing and let me know in the comments below which mindset shift you would like to make it happen. Until I meet you in my next video, I appreciate you and thank you.